AXP skid plate. Gonna take it off now, see how much damage is in it. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it's broke all the way through. We'll take it off now and have a better look at it. Don't think it'll take another impact there at all. So I'm going to take it off now and have a look at it. This is AXP skid plate. It's cracked all the way through. It's cracked along there. AXP skid plate. Gonna take it off now, see how much damage is in it. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it's broke all the way through. We'll take it off now and have a better look at it. Don't think it'll take another impact there at all. So I'm going to take it off now and have a look at it. On the bike 6 weeks. AXP are probably going to tell me where to go like about it, but that's cracked through there. It's a good 2 fingers width in there. No other damage on the skid plate. A few nicks and that, but you expect that. But I didn't expect this to go right the way through here and break there. It's broke right the way along there. My finger, if the camera's picking it up or not, you can see daylight through there. So that's not going to take another impact. So I'm going to have to budget for now. Hope you can see that a bit better. It's gone all the way through the skid plate. This is the inside. That's supposed to be flush there. It's gone right up, right along this bracket. I think that's the design fault on this. It needs a plate there to dissipate the impact from that little bracket there. Bracket that goes on the bike there. That's what I think. That's what I think about it. We're going to try and fix it now, because AXP probably will tell me to get stuffed about it, but we'll see. So basically what I'm going to do is put a piece of wood under. A piece of wood on there. And hit it. As you can see. And needs a bigger hammer. This way. Didn't expect to be doing this after 6 weeks. It's getting better. Not quite there. As you can see, plastic will take a fair punt in. It's coming out quietly. Getting warm now. It's getting pretty flat now. And I don't think I was going to use a grinder to grind that out, but it's come back not too bad now. I'll have to re-glue it. I'm going to put a bracket on the inside here, like that. So this little bracket's took the impact there, and hopefully that'll dissipate the impact when I put a bracket on there. It's looking better, but still not brilliant. Quite happy with that. There's a bit of a deformation in here, but inside it's going to go upwards, it's going to, so I'm quite happy with that now. So I'll clean it up and see if it'll glue. And I'll put the video back on. Gonna grind a little bit of this off now. Sticking up bits. The chamfering thing. Just ground it flush now. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue in there. I was going to plate it this side as well, but I'm just going to plate it inside. That's what it's looking like now, a lot better. So I'll glue that up now. I'm going to clean that area I just ground it off now with a PVC U-frame cleaner, solvent based. So I'm going to clean all that out before gluing it. Here's me trying to glue it. Hold on, get it. Try to melt the plastic a little bit as well with the end of the gun. Might fill that bit of a void in there. That's about all I can do. Bit more there perhaps. And try that now. I'll have to make a plate for the inside now. Leave it go off, and I just run the sander over it again. We'll run a bit down the inside as well. It's hammered out quite good. Strong bit of plastic, I know that much. There you go. Just made a bracket now to dissipate the impact area from that little inch bracket there. So that'll go on like that. I'll glue it on now, then re-drill the holes from the outside. So Do the rest when I'm not filming. That's all glued up now. Plate isn't too thick, so it will flex a little bit with the plastic. It's only about 1.5 mil thick probably. Just got to drill the hole through the back side of it now. Oh, I could put a bit of glue in that plate there as well. Now I've turned it over, just to glue in there. Not worried about them water holes there. All those 2 holes up there full of glue. Gonna drill these 2 next. The finished plate, the holes drilled in. I don't know if I should put a plate there, but I wanted the countersunk hole so this slides across without a plate there. So we'll try it like that. AXP skid plate back on. That's what the plate looks like in there. You can see it. Better view there perhaps. So hopefully now that will dissipate the impact a bit better.